In the latest rankings released by AI benchmarking authority Artificial Analysis, Vidu Q3 ranked #1 in China and #2 globally. The model outperformed Runway Gen 4.5, Google Veo 3.1, and OpenAI Sora 2, positioning Vidu among the world's top-tier video generation platforms. I want you to watch this clip for a second.
This is what AI video looks like now. No editing, no syncing, just one click.
The voice, the timing, the way the lips move exactly with the words. This wasn't edited. There's no timeline, no syncing. She typed a prompt, and this video came out finished. Now here's the part most demos don't tell you. Tools like this can either make your workflow faster or quietly get your content ignored if you use them the wrong way. So I tested Vidu AI for a full week. And what surprised me wasn't just what it can do. It was how differently you need to think when using it. See it, hear it, feel it. That's what Vidu Q3 is built around. Let me show you the actual workflow. I start on vidu.com. Everything runs in the browser. I select the image or text-to-video tool, upload my reference image, and type my prompt describing the scene, the voice tone, and the camera movement I want. Here's what I wrote. One click, generation starts. And what comes back is a complete video, visuals and audio together.
This is perfect.
Most AI video tools fall into the same trap. They give you visuals first, then expect you to fix everything later. You generate a clip, then hunt for the right voice, then manually sync, then re-render. Vidu Q3 flips that entire process. With Q3, sound and video are generated together in one step. The voice isn't added on top, it's baked into the motion. That's why the pacing feels natural, that's why the emotion lands. And here's a detail most people miss. This is a full 16-second video generated in one go. Not stitched, not extended. That extra length lets a moment breathe instead of feeling rushed. It's the industry's first long video model supporting direct 16-second audio output.
Sometimes the best ideas come when the world is still quiet.
But here's where it gets more interesting. Inside one single generation, I can change camera angles just by describing them. Wide shot, cut closer during the dialogue, reaction shot at the end. Normally that would mean multiple clips and manual editing. Here it just happens. Smooth transitions, no stitching required.
I've been thinking about making a big change.
Wait, really? Tell me more.
Now let's talk about voice, because that's where most tools fall apart. Vidu Q3 lets you control tone and emotion in a way that stays consistent with the visuals. If the character sounds calm, their movement reflects that. If the voice gets more intense, the body language follows.
Listen to me carefully, this is not a drill. The time to act is now, not tomorrow, not next week, right now.
Lip sync isn't flawless in every scenario. Fast head turns can still look slightly stiff if you push it too far. That's the honest limitation. But for explainers, ads, storytelling, or brand content, it's noticeably more natural than most tools I've tested, especially for a single pass generation. Text matters too. Here, text isn't slapped on later. It's part of the video itself, clean, readable, and sharp in full 1080p output. And it supports Chinese, English, and Japanese. So you can reach global audiences without extra editing. Now that's Q3, which is the main reason people are paying attention. But there's another piece that quietly makes the workflow stronger. This is RefHub 2.0, a subject library with over 200 film-level references built right into Vidu. Camera movements, shot styles, transitions, actions, scene types, all pre-built and ready to use. Instead of manually describing complex camera work in your prompt, you just select the reference you want. Mix and match. Combine them. And Vidu understands exactly what you mean. Here's how it works. I tap RefHub on the homepage, browse the subjects, pick a cinematic camera movement and a transition style, add my images, and generate. That's it. Hollywood-level shots. No film terminology required. This is where Q2 Pro comes in. Q2 Pro isn't about generating everything from scratch. It's about control. You open the Reference to Video tool and can input up to 6 reference slots, 4 images, and 2 videos simultaneously. Use them to keep characters, styles, or camera movement consistent. Instead of guessing, you're guiding the output. I used it to extend scenes, match motion from an existing clip, and clean up small details using in-painting and out-painting, without redoing the whole video. You can even remove or add elements within a shot. That kind of control is what keeps AI from feeling random, and that's important because platforms aren't rewarding low-effort repetition anymore. If you're just posting AI output without adding value, that's when problems start. Vidu works best when you treat it like a production assistant, not a replacement for thinking. So why does this actually matter? Because most tools focus on editing. Vidu focuses on creation. What used to take me hours, writing, syncing, fixing pacing, now takes a fraction of that time. Not because creativity disappeared, but because the mechanical friction did. If you want full frame-by-frame control, traditional editors still win. But if your goal is consistent output, clear storytelling, and faster turnaround, this workflow makes sense. Here's the final output. Full screen, no UI, just the video as Vidu generated it.
Wonderful morning. It truly is a beautiful day.
Notice the visual quality, the audio sync, the camera transitions, and how clean the text renders. That's real output quality. Here's the honest takeaway. Vidu isn't for everyone. If you enjoy manual editing and tweaking every detail, you probably won't need this. But if you want to focus more on ideas, structure, and message, and less on timelines and syncing, this is one of the cleanest systems I've tested. If you want to try it yourself, the link in the description gives you 100 bonus points to get started. And if you're curious how this compares to other AI video tools, I tested a completely different approach. That video is on screen right now.